I'm delighted to welcome you to the official opening of our Floating Wind Innovation Centre here in the North East.
So it's very important that FLOWIC is here because we recognise you have such a legacy of knowledge and existing services from the oil and gas industry. We want to capture that knowledge and see how we can transfer it into the growth of floating wind as we build turbines out into deeper water in the future.
Scotland has the opportunity to become a global leader in the commercialisation of floating offshore wind.
Well, I'm delighted to officially open Floating Wind Innovation Centre. I think it's a great example of exactly the type of institutions and organisations we need. Everybody sees the potential, but all of us want to make sure that potential becomes realised and becomes reality. But having something like FLOWIC, again, will help us to unleash Scotland's full potential in floating wind. It'll attract more private investment here. We can help to de-risk some of that technology by having a fantastic innovation centre like this. So here we are, able to deploy a technology that helps us to tackle the climate crisis and at the same time, undoubtedly unleash the economic potential for our country.
Today is partly a celebration of what's happened to get to this point. The Floating Wind Innovation Centre is here in Aberdeen, and it's about looking at how we commercialise floating offshore wind. So looking at the testing and validation of equipment before it goes offshore. And it's also about a statement to the rest of the UK and international that Aberdeen and Scotland is a real home for floating offshore wind.
It's really important to have the support of government and industry because these projects are very big, they're very risky, they're very new. So the more that we can work together, the more we can identify the risks, the technology challenges, and then find the solutions to those in the future.
FLOWIC is open!